Like I'm a magician. Ready? Ready, guys? The finger mix. Ooh, burning the finger mix. How about that? God. Dummy, put your gloves back on. What are you doing? I forgot this is my busted knuckle, and that's literally the finger I'm sticking in there is my busted knuckle. All of a sudden it just got real warm up in here. I set that joint on fire. Yeah, it's my lovely busted knuckle finger. Well, I love that. That's cute, right? And also this one is busted, but this one is the worst one. I did. I got a little carried away. Got a little excited there. It'll be all right. I'm just gonna slap a Band-Aid on there. By the way, a friend of ours in our little group chat, she got a busted knuckle the other day, and I highly recommended this to her, so I'm gonna do it with you guys too. If you guys ever, I literally, I bust my knuckles all the time, and I've tried every Band-Aid under the sun. This one right here, fabulous. It will literally keep all the things out. Lost in the sauce type. Yep. Do. Slap this Band-Aid on here. Yeah. Lost in the sauce. Oh, goodness. Okay. Phew. Okay. Now, let me get quiet. You guys can hear that sizzle? Yeah. Okay, so I pulled it out so we can do it again. You guys ready? Oh, I put the Band-Aid on. I'm telling you, that Band-Aid don't get nothing. Nothing gets through that Band-Aid. I'm telling y'all right now. If you know, you know. But if you don't know, you should figure it out. She said, watch the finger. Dummy, you just complained about it for 10 minutes. Watch your finger. Oh, love the sizzle. Can you guys hear the sizzle? Let me shut up. See if y'all can hear the sizzle. Think there's anything else that'll, oh my gosh, that's warm. That's warm, y'all. She's still sizzling, guys. She's still sizzling. Oh, these are about to get good. Good liquidy squeezes. My kids be needing me every 5 minutes. I felt that, girl. Normally, that's my mom, mom, mom. Who loves a good liquidy squeeze up in this joint? Because you're about to get them. You guys, let me know if you've sent $10 in gifts so we can get you added to the list. Get you added to the list for a raffle drawing. How about I'll do this too for every galaxy. I'll do it. If you do a galaxy, I'll put you in the drawing as well. Bet. 66 more followers. That's wild. That means I've almost got like about 200 almost this live. Will it tell you new follower? Okay, so any new follower, let's see, new follower, another separate drawing. We'll do the one drawing while I'm on live right now, but for anybody that does the 10 or over. Yeah, I don't know. I look at it on 11 days live and I think 67, 84. All right, so if we reach 10K, guys, I'll do a whole separate drawing for a bucket of the final product, a mini bucket of the final product. My hands are small. Let me try. Those are huge. I would pick the two biggest ones. Let me try different ones. No, not yet. It may not redo because I reset my gifts. Oh, you're saying I'm at 6 something. I don't know what I was thinking. I was close to 10. Thanks for sharing out the live, guys. It's laundry. We've got beads. We've got It's Gain laundry, all of it. So there's lots of powder. There's like 2 large boxes of powder. We did some softener. We've got some Pine Sol. The beads, the firework beads are in here. Thanks for liking, guys. Well, I'll make you a deal. I wouldn't suggest drinking it. However, you can enter in to get in the raffle to get a sample of it in a small bucket, and you could do with it what you want. How about that? Just don't tell me if you drink it. Most likely you wouldn't be around to tell me if you drank it, to be real, but you know. We need more liquids in here, guys. Are you guys ready for the Zote? Zote. But I've never used the Zote, so you guys will have to walk me through it like a baby. Do we want to soak the sponges? Yes, I do. Zote softener. There's still about like a half a jug, well, about a quarter of a jug of softener. I have some dish soap left, Zote, the firework beads, and I do have the professional panelin if we need more liquids. Oh, I got it up in my mouth. Okay, bet. Do you want me to soak them in fabric softener before I add the Zote and the firework beads, or just as is? Thanks for the gifts.